In year 3, much like with the addition strategy, when you are subtracting ones and we're bridging either the tens boundary or the hundreds boundary, what you're doing is you're going to be making the nearest multiple of 10 in order to help children to be able to do this mentally. So we are going to partition the part that we are taking away, first of all considering how we would get to the nearest multiple of 10. So if we look at 244, we see that 4 needs to be taken away, so this can become 240. So I need to partition my 7 into 4, and then the other part is 3, so that's why it's so important to know our number facts. So you can see the 4 and the 4 is going to take it away there in order to be the next multiple. So, as always with subtraction, you are starting on the right side of the number line, putting the whole that you're taking away from, and then this time we're going to take away the partitioned part that we're taking away. So the first part we're going to take away from 7 is 4. So 244, take away 4, gets us to our next multiple of 10, which is 240. Then we are going to take away the rest. So the rest of 7 is 3. We've partitioned it. So let's take away 3. And again, we need to know our number bonds to 10 help us with this. So we should know that it's 200. And now we're going through the 10. So it's a new 10, so it's 30. And then it's 7. So we take away 3 from a 10, we're left with 7. So 244, take away 7 is 237. If we were doing this now through the hundreds boundary, follow the same strategy. We would start over here with 301. And now we need to look at how we would partition our 7. We'd partition it differently to the one before because we're now, we've only got one here that we need to take away. So we would partition it into 1 and into 6. So first of all, from 301, we would take away 1 to make it 300. So our next multiple of 10, or multiple of 100. And then we're going to be crossing the hundreds boundary, and we now need to take away the 6. So again, we need to know our number bonds to 10 to help us. We take away the 6. So we've going below the hundreds. Now we've only got 2 hundreds, and then the next 10 would be 90, and then we know that if we take away a 6 from a 10, it makes a 4. And then we get the answer of 294.